Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I got another unboxing. This one is for the Good Molecules, and they always send me packages like, well, they didn't send me it in a box last time, but this one is in a box. So let's just get into it. Good Molecules. They usually are a skincare brand and they never ever test on animals. And so yeah, they are really a very good company to deal with. I think you can get them on Beautylish or a beauty web page or something like that. I will pop it in the description down below where you can buy these because they are super good. So it comes in a, well, I've got a pretty box design like that. It's gorgeous. And it says it's about you. So it's about, oh, well, we've got pretty pineapple, and I've just dropped the leaflet. And there it says on there. So yeah, this one is, I will put it the right way up so you can see it. And it says brand trip. So it says my favourite influence went on a brand trip and all I got was this postcard. Oh, my favourite influencer. Okay, doc. Right, okay. So it says the Good Molecules. How about an influencer trip to an exotic location? Sounds like a typical hype for a beauty launch. With our new pineapple exfoliating powder, there are so many possible destinations like Tahiti, Hawaii, Maldives, to name a few, but wouldn't our customers realise that they're the ones paying for the trip? That they are the ones paying for the trip. Oh, yeah. Of course, huge profit is how the other brands afford it. Right, okay. So it says the gentle exfoliant comes packaged in a recyclable glass and is only $16, which is high price and topical. It's a tropical getaway not included. Right, so, okie doke. So there it is. Okay, so we've got loads of like really nice packaging like this, and so this is one of them, and it is the pineapple exfoliating powder, and it's formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C and rice powder to soften and brighten and gently exfoliate your face. So there we go. Is it going to be nice to my camera and get this focused properly? Right, okay, so I think that is the only item that I've got in here. Yes, it is. And I'm super pleased with this item. It is really, really pretty packaging, and I love a product like this. So we're just gonna open it up. Like I said, they're all cruelty free, which is amazing. And I am just going to show you. It comes, oh wow, it's a really nice glass bottle like so. There it is. And is it a liquid? I'm just going to try and get my scissors onto this job and stab it like so. Oh, it doesn't smell very much of pineapple. Now I'm thinking, is this going to be a powder or a liquid? I am not going to be 100% sure. I will just say, there it is. It's like in a powdery form. Is my... So I would suppose that you mix this to like a paste with water, and then you would put it on your face. So it's like really like a powdery sort of substance. So yeah, you'll see. And there is the powder. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do like a video on this and tell you how I got on with it, how I got on with using it. So it says directions: dispense a teaspoon of the powder into the palms and mix with a few drops of water, like I would have thought you would have done, and you mix it to a creamy form. Use more water for a gentle exfoliation. Massage into the skin with circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and use it up to 4 times a week, and discontinue if irritation occurs. So use it on a morning and you use it on a night, and there we go. So I can't say that it smells of pineapple. I mean, I'm just going to have a little waft of it, smell of it. There is no scent at all with this, so there we go. But okie doke. There is my little review on the Good Molecules. Thank you, Good Molecules, for sending me this. I will actually use it, and I will do a video to see how we get on with it. Right, if you like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.